All it really says is that kids aren't empty vessels. That when they come into our classroom, they already have schema and mental models in their heads that they have put together. And whatever I then do with them, it will interact with what's already in there. What I'm saying to you today, you'll all go away with something different because of the schema you hold in your heads now. If I try and make it just a little bit more concrete, and I will use the example of science because that's where a lot of work has been done. One of the things you'll often find in science, and I'll use the example I've used before because it's a good one, is if I asked you to explain the seasons. Just have a think about how you'd explain what causes the seasons. While you're doing that, just a bit of a story. There's a wonderful video from Harvard where they video science physics graduates. So, you know, you're going to expect, I've been to Harvard, I've graduated in physics, I should know something about what causes the seasons. In the video, they interview these graduate physics students about what causes the seasons. Most of them are wrong. I think 70 to 80% of them are wrong. But they firmly believe in the response that they've given. So they'll give a theory, which they believe is correct. But if you compare it to what we know causes the seasons, it is actually wrong. But they are oblivious. How the hell can this happen? These people have been through primary school, secondary school, a physics degree, and they've still got and they will have been taught what causes the seasons. How have they ended up at the other end with a view that's wrong? What constructivism basically says is that all of us actively try to make sense of the world. We are always creating explanations in our heads for what causes different, particularly physical phenomena that we see around us, or it could even be behaviours that we see around us. Humans, our brain is designed to make sense of the world.